This tutorial is for 2nd grade, Module 4, Part 2, Lesson 14. In this lesson, we're going to continue to show subtraction on both the place value chart and in the vertical format. The only difference in this lesson is we're now showing numbers in the hundreds place. I'll start by showing 140 on my place value chart. 140 is made up of 100, 4 tens, and 0 ones. I have to subtract 12 from 140, which means I need to subtract 2 ones. I don't have any ones right now, so I'm going to take one of my tens and I'm going to decompose it into 10 ones. And we'll record that step down below. I had 4 tens, I took one of them, so now I have 3. And I decompose that into 10 ones. That will allow me to take 2 of my ones away. So I cross off 2, and I'm left with 8 ones. 10 minus 2 is 8. Now I need to subtract my 110. I have 3 of them, so I'll just cross off 1. That leaves me with 2 tens. I'll show that below. 3 minus 1 is 2. I don't have to subtract any hundreds, so I'm going to leave that disk in the hundreds place and show down below that I did not subtract anything from the hundreds place. So my final answer is 128. 140 minus 12 is 128. Here's another example. This time we have 161, and from it we'll subtract 26. 161 is shown as 100, 6 tens, and 1 1. I need to subtract 26, which means in my ones column I need to subtract 6 ones. I don't have 6 ones right now, so I need to take one of my tens, decompose it into 10 ones, and we will record that step below. I had 6 tens, I took one of them, so that left 5 tens. I decomposed that into 10 ones. I already had 1 1, so now I have 11 ones. And now I can subtract. I'll take 6 of those off. That leaves me with 5 ones. 11 minus 6 is 5. Now let's move to our tens column. I need to subtract 2 tens. I have 5 right now, so I'll cross off 2. That leaves me with 3 tens. And again, I'm not subtracting any hundreds, so I'll leave that disk in the hundreds place and show down below that I didn't subtract any hundreds. 161 minus 26 is 135. So we're going to keep following that same process even when we have numbers in our hundreds column.